How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And what about you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great. Where
So
are you?
I'm from Ireland, but I'm living in Scotland. And what about you?
Yeah, I was watching your introduction video actually, and I got to know a little about you. And
Yeah.
when I was working, okay, I was at work and I watched your videos, and so I decided let's talk to Julia today, if it's possible.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. I'm glad to hear it. I haven't watched it.
Unfortunately,
I'm sure it's
And fortunately, I found the slot which is comfortable for me to talk.
perfect.
So it's
If
a great
if it
coincidence.
doesn't suit you in the future, you could always message. I'm sure I would have found a slot for you then.
Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, because sometimes I see the time slots for
Mm.
with tutors, and actually I want to talk to them. But when I see they are like their scheduled time is beyond me, right? Beyond
Yeah.
my scope.
Yeah. The time difference is probably a big thing as well, right? Like, what time is it? Where you are right now?
Well, I'm from India. Sorry, I couldn't say. So my name is Anuj, and I'm from India. And it's 7:31 p.m. right now here in India. It's evening time.
So it's
And
3 p.m. where I am right now.
where? 3 p.m.
Yeah, 3 p.m.
It's like 4 hours and 30 minutes time difference.
Yeah.
Okay, it's almost your midday, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Little
So
ahead than midday.
so how long have you been learning English, Anuj?
Okay, so I think it's been a year, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah, but actually, I don't have people around me so that I can practice with them.
Yeah.
And so I decided why not talk to native speakers?
Yeah, that's a good idea. So what
Yeah,
made you want to start learning?
sorry.
Why did you start learning English?
Okay, it's a cool question. Well, actually, it's my first foreign language.
Oh,
Okay, and so I decided that you see that there are millions of people speaking English everywhere. It's like a common language in every country right now,
mm,
right? So if you go there and you don't know the local language, well, it will help you to interact with the people,
yeah,
with
that's true.
locals. So
So do
it's
you
like,
like to travel a lot?
yeah, no, no, no. Actually, there are several interesting facts I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
So first, it was the first, right? The second thing that when you learn a foreign language, it may give you several chances to do several things,
Mm,
right? In a foreign country, or maybe you can get a chance to go there to work there or anything.
mhm.
And here in my country, well, there are 29 states and every single state has its own culture, its own language, its own costumes. So it's like a big diversity here in India. And
Yeah.
I am from North India, okay? Actually, Northeast, not exactly North, Northeast. But right now, I'm in the southwest of my country.
Is is in the north?
No, 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 no,
Shillong?
no. Shillong is in northeast. That is in
Okay.
northeast.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is one of this is one of the seven states which is located in northeast. They are also known as seven sisters.
Okay. I've
So
heard of that, yeah.
connection problem little bit, I feel.
Oh, is there?
Is my voice clear?
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly.
Okay, okay. I got actually connection problem little bit in a slow internet. Well, I was
Okay.
saying that Yeah, so right now I'm in the southwest of my
Mhm.
country, though I'm from north.